Hi, welcome to this video. This video is about the Sardi icons. You may have noticed a few updates these days. What we've seen is XFC, a major update which is pointing to new icons. Well, we, the developers of icons, need to change them all. So all of us, any icon theme out there, needs to change their names. Basically make an extra link to the existing name. But it made me work again on Sardi and surfing and loving again the creative part of making icons. And it's important for us on ArcoLinux that we have a beautiful icon for each application that we have. And the applications we have are actually the ones on the repo, right? Anything you can select in Calamares, we have it. Anything you can create on Pacman or install via Pacman, the most common ones, we have it. And if we don't have them, we create them. Now, what I've done in the previous video is actually have a what if. But this what if was already existing. It had already been created. So I said, look, how about I include two beautiful themes in Sardi icons from now on. So this is new, Sardi Flat Arc. You've been watching it in the meantime, looking at it. It's combining the arc themes from Horse 3180, right? You know those ones, and frankly, I can't get tired of it. It's been 3 years on my screen, and I still love it. So I was missing it when I was developing again the Sardi icons. And in particular, I've been working this morning on Sardi Ghost Flexible Arc. So that's a new one again. So the two new ones, this one and that one, is new. And you see the difference up here, right? This is colorful because it's open, it can't be changed, but it's gonna work. Now, this means we must have something black, a black theme. This is a white icon theme, it's all whites. And you need to have something black because white against white won't be looking very nice. All right, but this is changed some things, some minor things, and my intention for the next year 2021 is to keep on working for 2-3 weeks on a particular icon theme from Sardi, from Surfing, and find out the missing 1%, the things that I say, oh, I don't like that, I don't like this, and change them as well. So it's so often hidden away in menus and things that you say, oh, this could be better, or I can change this, I can do this, and we'll do that next year 2021. So there you go, have fun with two more extra possibilities, Sardi Ghost Flexible Arc and the Sardi Flat Arc, which is up here. All right, have fun, cheers.